going on? Hello?
Hello, my child.
What the?
Kelly Louise.
Oh, yeah.
I am trying to make my fox.
I thought that was all a dream before.
No, it's real. It was real. Deja vu.
By the way, I've never noticed your house on the street.
Yes.
How long have you been here?
Like 2 days. And I'm trying to make my iron sword and my frog stew.
An
and
iron
my
sword?
Yes. And
Like
the
in...
frog stew. And I got to go get iron.
Wait, do you have a crafting table?
It's really hot. You see?
How did...
Hold.
How long did it take you to make that iron sword?
2 minutes.
Really? I can make it quicker than that with a crafting table.
Not in Minecraft world.
Oh, but it could be. I have real stuff from Minecraft. I've been there before.
Oh my goodness. Look at my pet.
What? What do you mean?
It's my pet's mother.
Hope they never find you.
No, they're dead.
What?
Long gone. Peggy sees. My random.
A what?
Stew. But I need to go to the grocery store. So, I want to make my frog stew. So what do I need? I don't know. It takes 3 to 5 steps. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Whoa, the light is super bright.
I know. My house is pretty cheery. So, 1. I need 12 frogs.
Why do you need frogs?
Because I'm making frog stew.
That sounds absolutely disgusting.
Yeah, but the bloody eyes taste great.
You are the weirdest person I have ever met.
Why, thank you. And then I need a toxicator.
What the heck is that?
It makes the frogs toxic. Makes them taste salty and sweet.
That sounds absolutely disgusting.
And it's poisonous.
If you said that to anybody else but me, they'd think you're a total psychopath.
I'm not. I'm a wizard. And then I need veggies. Broccoli. To savor the frogs in.
I hate broccoli. You should try pizza.
Oh man, but I had pizza yesterday. So I'll put pizza on the list. And I need pepperoni to make the frogs spicy.
Oh man. Man, the windows, everything is really bright. It used to be really dark for some reason, but now it's bright.
And I'm guessing, these will cost total $30.
$2 to $30?
$30. Look at my list. Look at the list.
Oh, pretty cool.
Frog stew. I need 12 frogs, toxicator, broccoli, pizza, pepperoni. And I'm guessing this will come out to $30. In my place. But, oh my goodness, the pencil just broke. Uh-oh. I can't use my pencil anymore.
Hey,
Tria, let's go feed my pets.
well, you can do it. I
You're
think
coming with me, man.
Do
Do you want to meet my puppies?
what the?
I have puppies.
What's wrong with my butt? It's stuck.
Oh, I glued you down.
What? Why did you do that? Why did you glue me down? Great.
Because I didn't want you to go. Here is my well, put this back where it was. Come on. These are my pets. That's my one. That one is a girl, and it's much nicer. Come out to Juicy. Let the boy pet you.
What does she like? Tongue rub?
Belly rub.
Have you ever? I'm a really good massager. I could give her a tail massage.
She's good. Now, come here. These are my puppies.
Puppies are really expensive.
This is my favorite.
It looks like he has a mustache.
And I have 2 dogs. This is the puppy and this is the puppy. Come on. Let's go.
Did you hear something?
What?
I must be hearing things. I must be hearing things.
Come on, Maddie.
Cool hammer.
Don't touch it! Can you? It's so heavy, isn't it?
No. Look.
I pretend it's all very light.
No.
On bed! Now, sit.
Okay. Okay.
I'm going to read you a story I write on my free time without being a wizard. Is this a good one? The Minion Bakery by me, Callie the Wizard. A long time ago, a man named Goose said, Agnes, we need to make money for our monthly payments. Why? We've $10.50 in our piggy bank savings, Agnes replied. I know, but $10.50 is not enough to pay for monthly payments, and I don't know what to do. Beetle! Beetle! Dave, one of Gru's minions, called. Here's the picture. And, yeah.
Let's see. Okay, it's focused. I can see it now.
And this is the cover.
Got it.
Page 2 says, the next day, Gru's wife said, Honey, come here. I found a bakery for sale online. Really? That's quick? I have the best wife ever.
Did you guys hear something? Did you hear something at all?